What up, your boy Mo back with another video. So I gave in on a self-cleaning robot and I ended up going with the Shark Matrix. So right out of the box, you're gonna get two pieces in the actual box. You're gonna get the actual base station and the actual robot. Setup was very easy and simple. You set up the base station into the power outlet, bang bang, you are set. You're also going to get a little brush attachment. Now this is depending on the model you get, but the attachment is very easy and simple to set up. You grab it, you align it onto the bottom end of the actual robot, and you kind of just press it, and boom, it attaches, and you leave it at that. Setup out of the box was easy. Download the app, link the robot, and then you're going to let the robot do the mapping around your house, which is kind of going to kind of configure the whole mapping of your whole house, then create a map within the actual app, and then you can kind of create zones within the actual app. But from what I've seen so far, the robot really does a thorough job when it comes to doing its job. Now what I do like about it is that it kind of roams around room by room. But what I also seen it does is that it actually has different types of ways that it maneuvers. So it'll kind of go a certain way, and then it'll change, and then it'll do another way. So different kind of angles when it kind of vacuums the actual floor, which I like that. That to me, that kind of gives it more of a thorough clean on the actual floor. Other than that, another thing that I've noticed is that it has a self-cleaning base station. So meaning that when you send the robot or the robot's done doing its thing, it goes into the base station, then it kind of sucks up all that dirt in the actual vacuum, in the actual robot, into the actual base station. And from what I've read, it has up to 30 days of self-cleaning. I haven't really experienced it too much. This is just kind of my first impressions and setup and unboxing type of video, but I still wanted to jump on here and kind of give you my first thoughts on it. And other than that, I think it's been doing a pretty thorough job. So what I actually do is I kind of run the robot around the pad, and then what I do is once I kind of see the floor nice and clean, then I kind of run my mop around the whole house, and then boom, I'm pretty much done with the sweeping and my mopping. But if I really do like how this works, I will be getting a 2-in-1 machine, which it's going to go ahead and sweep and mop in one whole unit. Which again, if I could have something that's going to save me time from doing what I need to do around the house and kind of use that time to kind of spend with my daughter or do other productive things, hey, then why not? So I will report back and give you guys my full final thoughts and full video on this. Again, as of right now, so far I'm pretty happy with it. It's been doing a pretty thorough job. I'm still kind of waiting to finish my meal prepping in the kitchen. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna run it in the kitchen, and I'm really looking forward to testing out how well it does in the actual kitchen. But other than that, make sure to be on the lookout for the full video on this. Follow me on Instagram, link in the video description. Hit the like button, as it really does help me out. And if you're new, feel free to subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Later.